This is the Simmons 1164 pitcher pump base, also known as the foundation for the pitcher pumps by Simmons. Now this product is lead free, and what this piece is designed to do is just to ensure that that pitcher pump is stable down under the ground. Now what this kit will include is of course the base itself, the two hex bolts and two flat washers. Now these two large hex bolts are going to go in each hole here. You're going to place that washer followed by your bolts. Just thread those down just a little bit because they're a little bit longer than they look. Now we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of this piece. Now one important thing to notice is if you look inside this hole, you're going to have those internal or female threads right there on the inside. And flip it upside down. Now this is made completely out of cast iron. And we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions, starting with an inner diameter of this threaded hole here. That's going to measure right at about 1.5 inches. And flip it down to the bottom. We'll get some measurements here as well. We'll get an outer diameter from the flat flanged end all the way down to this end. Just at the longest point. It's going to measure right at about 6¼ inches. And we'll go this way as well. Try to go from the center. That's going to be right at 7¼ inches. And then total height. See if I can flip it over here. So height wise or thickness, you're looking right at about 2¾ inches. And we'll also get an outer diameter of the head of those hex bolts, just from point to point of the hex. And that's going to measure right at about 3/4 inch. And once again, this is the Simmons 1164 pitcher pump base for the Simmons pitcher pumps.